Welcome back friends. Again, I am Praveen Chalak, cricket coach of Shri Shivaji College. Today we are going to learn about the stretching exercise or the before of warming up what stretching exercise we have to do. That today we are going to see. I am Praveen again and with me Sandeep Thakur is there. So today we are going to demonstrate you the stretching exercises which is required before of warming up. So let's start. First we are starting with the leg stretching, so that is very important because anyhow our lower part is most the time and the most active during all the activities of any kind of games. Not I am talking about the cricket, of any games, legs are more involved. Though the complete body is there, but the leg movement is required. So we will go with the legs first, leg stretching first, and then we will slowly gradually from bottom to top we will move ahead. So first we are starting the stretching of the legs. So let's start then. The leg is there, then go down and hold your toe with both the hands at least for 5 to 6 seconds, or gradually you can increase that timing as per your ability, but the minimum timing is given 6 seconds. Hold that optimum level, you be continue, so students can see that particularly what hold there toe ko pakad ke rakho. Yes, this is the correct, this first toe, and then go down to the floor and try to touch the floor by your hands without bending the knee. Your knee should not be bent, then the traction will not come to your muscles. Then again, second thing, your muscles will be not that much stretch if you are bending, and this is wrong position actually you are doing. Then automatically the stress will be less of your stretching exercises. So legs should be straight and you have to go completely down. This is the stretch of one leg, and same way you have to do the stretching exercise with the legs of another leg. Understood? We'll move ahead again. Now this one thing we have shown you, then again 1 or 2 methods are there, or 1 or 2 more stretchings are there that we are going to show you right now. Then this was the first, this was the first, then we go down to the second exercise. The same means the amount of stretching is increasing here, exercise by exercise it is, we are increasing. First we was here, then again we are going down. Now okay, now again we will push back to the knee. This is also very important. Then again optimum stretching will happen to your leg, so this is very important. Okay, now the next thing sir is go to your right. Then again now hamstring muscles can be stretched with this exercise. This is the stretching part of hamstring muscles, this is very important. This way you can do the stretching. This push growings also will be effect of this stretching. You will get the stretch to your growings muscles also. Change. Then again I am repeating the 6 to 8 seconds or counts you have to hold on the optimum level. Push. Okay, change now, down and push back 6 seconds. Then change again, cross way. This is good stretching for your back as well. Legs is involved, but again you can give the stretching to your back as well in this position. Change. Now the front leg you have to make it straight and you have to sit down on the back leg, and again hold with the hand and stretch to your leg. Means this complete muscles, calf, hamstring muscles, it is involving in this. Okay, the same way you can change the side and you can continue with next leg. So this is the stretching with the hamstring leg. Okay, clear now? I hope you understood the things, and what we can say, the stretching exercise you understood might. Fine. The next exercise we are seeing about the stretching, that is the knee stretching, or again the second part of stretching. Pull your complete knee backward or try to chest by your knee to your chest. Bring it closer to try to bring the knee closer to your chest. Okay, this is the one. And the second one is going for the horizontal way. We are going this way. Okay, so maximum try to pull optimum level of the legs. Now change, then backward you can go this way, then automatically your front means the quadriceps muscles will stretch by this exercise, stretching exercise. The same way again you have to go with the another leg. So my friend Sandeep is showing you that the way you have to do with the another leg. I hope you are getting by the one leg, and then automatically the same exercise you have to do or you have to perform with the another leg. The same exercise are there, and it is very useful for your hamstrings, quadriceps, calf muscles, ankle. It is very important, and with the help of this exercise definitely your muscles means lower body muscles will be get free, and that is very important aspect of the stretching exercise. Now friends, we are seeing about the hand stretching. That is also important. We see the leg stretching. Now we are moving forward towards the hand stretching. So we'll start again and we will learn something new about the hand stretching. I hope most of the players, they already seen these videos, but again we are trying to give you some stretching exercise, same stretching exercise for your kind of knowledge. Fine, so we'll start again. You should not bend your hand from the elbow, it has to be straight. Second hand is there, cross it and try to pull on the maximum level, pull. Then automatically this area will be affect, means your shoulder muscles will be get stretched with the help of this exercise, and the complete bicep and tricep muscles will get free by this exercise. Same way you have to go with the another hand. दूसरे हाथ से आपको सेम एक्सरसाइज करनी है तो आपको फ़ायदा होगा अपने शोल्डर्स को स्ट्रेच करने में. चेंज, गो अप स्ट्रेट, fold your hand from the elbow, take the help of next second hand and hold to your elbow and pull inwards, अंदर की तरफ खींचना है. सेम वे इसको रिलीज करना है, रिलीज दिस एंड सेकेंड हैंड गोज अप. सेम वे फोल्ड फ्रॉम द एल्बो, टेक द हेल्प ऑफ सेकेंड हैंड, अनदर हैंड एंड पुल इट. Then automatically this muscles, deltoids and these muscles, you can get it free. Change, एक हाथ, one hand you have to keep on the waist, then pull forward. Change, next hand, same way. Okay, relax. 6 seconds, don't forget. Continuously 6 to 8 seconds, okay? For each and every exercise. Though I am doing fast, but you don't be in a hurry. Slowly do the stretching. Stretching, when you are doing the stretching exercise, that time the hurry is not at all required. Slowly, properly, and take your own time. Otherwise, anything bad or injury can be happened. Next thing, that is wrist stretching. Wrist को stretch देने के लिए, means when you are giving the wrist stretching, it is very important. Pull it back to your complete palm. Again, downwards. Same way, next hand. Down. And relax. Now next, hold both the hands backward this way and slowly go down towards the floor or to your toe. Then, now what is the advantage of this stretching exercise? Your back also will be free and your shoulder also will be free by this exercise. So this is the stretching exercise we try to give: lower body stretching exercise and upper body stretching exercise. Next thing, that is the head stretching. Will not move ahead towards the rotation. We are just seeing the stretching exercise of complete body. We started from the legs, we come up with the hand, and now we are moving forward towards the head. Go to the right side first, stretch. Again 5 to 6 seconds, hold there. Same way, another side. Relax, up and down. So this is the quite good for the neck stretching. These muscles can be free with this exercise. Down, change, sideways, change, change, and relax. Now next thing, that is I am going to show you for the back stretching. You have to take the help of any partner. My friend is there, Sandeep. We are trying to do that stretching with the help of him. It is called as a passive stretching. Passive stretching is also very important. Active stretching means if suppose you are alone and you are trying to do the exercise, then it is called as a active stretching. But suppose you are having your partner, then it is called as a passive. Means you can take the help of partner and then you can do little extra stretching with the help of partner. So it is called as a passive stretching. So that we will see now. First, give me your leg, hold me here, and I am moving forward again. This is affected area. So affected means we are making the free to the muscles. Again pull it up, hold there 8 seconds, and again down. Same way, next leg, support, down, up, relax. So same way you have to change your partner and you can do the stretching of both. Means both the partners can do the stretching with the help of each other support. Understood? Next thing, that is this. You have to pull to your partner towards you, then and the leg again. Just a minute. This should not be bent. This should be all the time straight. Then and then only effect will come. Hold it, pull backwards, khicho, khicho, pull back. Then automatically these muscles will be stretched. Clear? Now for the back stretching, I am going to show you the next step or the next exercise. You have to hold both the wrist of your partner, bend down and take him on your back, and as possible as down you can go. Then my partner is getting the stretching of his back with this exercise. Same way you have to change the partner. So I am doing means my friend is lifting me and slowly is taking me down, then automatically I am getting the stretch to my back muscles and I am feeling very much free now. With my complete body we did leg stretching exercises, then hand stretching, then back, and I am feeling really nice and free now, and I can go forward for any sports or any game. So this was the stretching exercise. I hope you understood, you like this, and I request to you all, my dear beginner players, without warming up and without stretching, don't come on the ground or don't come on the battlefield. So every sportsman's ground is called as a battlefield. So thank you very much, and please go ahead with the warm up and stretching. Thank you.